12 jobs that will be replaced by AI in the near future. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing a topic that's been on the minds of many: the impact of artificial intelligence on the job market. The rise of AI technology has been a significant game changer in the workforce, with many jobs potentially facing the risk of being replaced by automation in the near future. In this video, we'll be discussing 12 jobs that are most likely to be replaced by AI in the coming years. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Data entry clerks. As businesses continue to digitize their operations, the need for manual data entry clerks is decreasing. AI-powered software can now accurately and efficiently process large amounts of data, reducing the risk of human error and increasing productivity. This technology can also learn from past data entries, making it more accurate and efficient over time. As a result, data entry clerks may soon be replaced by AI-powered software, freeing up resources for businesses and allowing them to focus on other areas of their operations. Number 2. Telemarketers. Telemarketing jobs have long been a staple of the sales industry, but with the rise of AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants, the future of telemarketing looks uncertain. These chatbots can interact with customers in a more human-like way, using natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to customer queries. This not only saves businesses time and money, but it also provides customers with a more efficient and personalized experience. As a result, telemarketing jobs may soon become a thing of the past, replaced by AI-powered chatbots that can handle customer interactions with ease. Number 3. Assembly line workers. Assembly line workers have been a staple of the manufacturing industry for decades, but with the rise of AI-powered robots, their jobs are at risk of being replaced. These robots can work around the clock without the need for breaks or rest, making them more efficient than human workers. Additionally, they can be programmed to perform specific tasks with precision and accuracy, reducing the risk of errors and defects in the final product. While this may be a cause for concern for assembly line workers, it presents an opportunity for companies to increase their productivity and reduce their costs. Number 4. Bank tellers. In addition to the convenience of mobile banking apps and ATMs, banks are also investing in AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to handle customer inquiries and transactions. These chatbots can provide customers with quick and efficient solutions to their banking needs without the need for human interaction. While this may be a cause for concern for bank tellers, it presents an opportunity for banks to increase their efficiency and reduce their costs. However, it's important to note that some customers may still prefer the personal touch of a human bank teller, so it's unlikely that bank tellers will become completely obsolete in the near future. Number 5. Insurance underwriters. As AI technology continues to advance, insurance underwriters may soon find themselves replaced by AI-powered software that can analyze vast amounts of data and make decisions on insurance policies with greater accuracy and efficiency. With machine learning algorithms, AI can accurately assess risk factors and determine the likelihood of claims, making them a suitable replacement for manual underwriters. This not only saves time and resources for insurance companies, but also ensures that policy decisions are made with greater precision and accuracy. However, it's important to note that AI-powered underwriting is still in its early stages, and human oversight may still be necessary to ensure that ethical and legal considerations are taken into account. Number 6. Travel agents. The decline in demand for travel agents is not only due to the rise of online travel booking websites and mobile apps, but also due to the fact that AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can now handle customer inquiries and bookings with ease. These chatbots can provide customers with personalized recommendations and travel arrangements without the need for human interaction. As a result, travel agents may soon become obsolete, unless they adapt to the changing market by offering specialized services that cannot be replicated by AI technology. Number 7. Customer service representatives. As AI technology continues to advance, chatbots and voice assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their ability to understand and respond to customer inquiries. They can analyze customer data and provide personalized solutions, making them a valuable asset for businesses looking to improve their customer service. While this may be a cause for concern for customer service representatives, it presents an opportunity for businesses to increase their efficiency and reduce their costs. However, it's important to note that human interaction may still be necessary for complex customer inquiries or situations that require empathy and emotional intelligence. Number 8. Retail sales associates. Retail sales associates have long been a staple of the retail industry, providing customers with personalized assistance and recommendations. However, with the rise of AI-powered self-checkout kiosks and other forms of automation, the role of retail sales associates is at risk of being replaced. These self-checkout kiosks use computer vision and machine learning to accurately identify products and process payments, eliminating the need for human cashiers. While this may be a cause for concern for retail sales associates, it presents an opportunity for businesses to increase their efficiency and reduce their costs. Additionally, self-checkout kiosks can provide customers with a more streamlined and efficient checkout experience, reducing wait times and improving overall customer satisfaction. Number 9. Accountants. As AI technology continues to advance, accounting jobs are at risk of being replaced by AI-powered software that can automate the process of bookkeeping and financial analysis. With machine learning algorithms, AI can accurately analyze financial data and provide businesses with insights into their financial performance in real time. This not only saves time and resources for businesses, but also ensures that financial decisions are made with greater precision and accuracy. However, it's important to note that human oversight may still be necessary to ensure that ethical and legal considerations are taken into account. Number 10. Lawyers. The use of AI in the legal industry is already underway, with many law firms and legal departments using AI-powered software to streamline their operations and improve their efficiency. AI can analyze vast amounts of legal data and provide insights into legal cases, making it a valuable asset for lawyers and legal professionals. However, the use of AI in the legal industry also raises ethical and legal concerns, such as the potential for bias in AI algorithms and the need for human oversight in legal decision-making. Despite these concerns, the use of AI in the legal industry is expected to continue to grow in the coming years, potentially leading to significant changes in the way legal services are provided. Number 11. News anchors. The use of AI-powered news anchors has already been tested in some countries, such as China, where an AI news anchor was developed to deliver news stories in both English and Mandarin. While the technology is still in its early stages, it presents a significant opportunity for news organizations to reduce their costs and increase their efficiency. However, it's important to note that human news anchors still provide a level of authenticity and emotional connection that AI may not be able to replicate. As such, it's unlikely that human news anchors will be completely replaced by AI in the near future. But the technology may become a valuable asset for news organizations looking to streamline their operations. Number 12. Real estate agents. AI-powered software can also provide virtual property tours and 3D models of properties, allowing buyers to view properties remotely without the need for a physical tour. This not only saves time and resources for both buyers and sellers, but also provides a more convenient and accessible experience for buyers who may not be able to physically visit a property. Additionally, AI-powered software can analyze market trends and provide insights into the best time to buy or sell a property, making it a valuable asset for both buyers and sellers in the real estate industry. However, It's important to note that human real estate agents still provide a level of personal touch and emotional connection that AI may not be able to replicate, so it's unlikely that they will be completely replaced by AI in the near future. Thank you for watching our video on 12 jobs that will be replaced by AI in the near future. While the rise of AI technology presents many benefits, such as increased efficiency and cost-effectiveness, it also poses a significant risk to many jobs in the workforce. It's important for us to prepare ourselves for these changes and adapt to the new job market. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the potential impact of AI on the job market. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.